Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is not going to help too many people, but it is kind of a fun project to learn something. I've been doing a couple of videos about putting numbers around a clock dial. So if I've got the numbers typed out, I'm going to Control K and break them apart. Then I'm going to select them all. I'm going to convert them to an object, because now we can use Corel Draw 18 and above fit objects to path. So I've got an ellipse, and I've actually got I've turned it into a curve, and I've got my starting point right there, so it'll go in that direction. But we need to have it look like this, so we need to mirror it upside down and then mirror it the other way. And then grab all these, let's go to object and fit to path and open up the dialog. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Then grab your text and your object. Let me move my objects a little closer. Grab your text and your object and hit apply. Now it does it like this, and if that's the way you want your numbers on your clock, and then you would just bring them in if you wanted a smaller, well, let me just do that real quick. It's in the center of the page, and it is, so let's draw another ellipse that would be the outside of your clock, and then just take that center ellipse and delete it. There's your numbers. Now, if you want them the other way, and this is kind of playing, the other ways to do it would be better, but all you'd have to do is go here and go 0 degrees and hit enter to turn these around no matter what degree they're at. I don't know if you could turn them all at one time. No, you couldn't, because you're not going to get a degree, and that wouldn't really work. But this is one way to do it. It's just kind of playing around. Not saying this would be very helpful, but you could kind of see the possibilities with fit objects to path. And then I'd actually make my circle a little bit larger to encompass the 10 there. It looked like it was a little bit off. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.